What's up guys, it's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Painfully Honest Advice. So I want to go ahead, break it down, share with you guys 8 beginner steps to go ahead and buy your first duplex. Now here's the thing, if you're not familiar with a duplex is one of my favorite investments in real estate because you actually have 2 units that you can go ahead and get income from. Now I love investing in a duplex and I just bought my first duplex just over 6 months at this point. I'm gonna go ahead and break it down, share with you guys a step-by-step on how to go ahead and buy your first duplex. But before we get into that, I just wanna go ahead and explain to you guys what exactly is a duplex. Now, when you're investing in real estate, you can buy a single family house, you can buy a 2-family unit, which is a duplex, you can buy a triplex, which is a 3-family unit, or you can buy a 4-plex, which is a 4-family unit, and then anything above that is actually considered a commercial property. Nice thing that I really like about a duplex is because you can actually live in one unit and go ahead and rent out the other unit, which is actually called house hacking. And if you guys are interested in that, there's many videos on YouTube about house hacking. But if you want to go ahead and not live in one of the units and just have this as an investment property, you can actually collect rent from both units. I personally really like this because if you have one of your tenants move out, you're still able to go ahead and collect rent and are able to go ahead and cover all your expenses. Plus, with 2 units, it's more manageable as a beginner. Now, I started investing in real estate over 10 years now, but after buying my first duplex, this is basically the best option, I believe, for anybody that's a new beginner that wants to go ahead and start investing in real estate. Now, as we go ahead and go through the steps, before I get into them, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below. I love making videos around real estate, investing in the stock market, as well as anything to do with growing your money and building another source of income. And guys, if you don't mind smashing that like button, because it really does help get this video in front of more people, and I would honestly appreciate it. But let's go ahead and jump into the first step, which is gonna be to go ahead and start saving. Now here's the thing, when you're investing in real estate, one of the biggest hurdles that everybody has is the upfront cash that you need to go ahead and buy a property. Now there's 4 different ways to go ahead and look at this. If you're a cash buyer, you can basically buy a property just with cash and you don't need any financing. But based on the value of the properties in your area, a lot of people usually tend to go with the financing option, especially if this is their first property. The second way is if you do not currently own a property, you can actually qualify for a first-time home buyers program. Now, a lot of financial institutions do offer first-time home buyers program, and with that, you need 5% down. The third option is gonna be if you already own a property, you can actually get financing with 10% down. So that's usually if you're gonna go ahead and maybe move into the property or be living there for over 6 months, you can actually go ahead and get away with 10% down. And then finally, if you're gonna be purely using this as an investment property, then you do need 20% down. Plus, the other thing that you have to consider when you're looking to go ahead and save up for a property is the closing cost. When you buy a property, there are closing costs as well. As far as an estimate on closing costs, they're usually around 5% of whatever the total price of that property is. Now, just to break it down in simple numbers here, let's say that you have to go ahead and put down 10%. If you're buying a property, which in my area, properties are right around $200,000, given 10%, you're gonna need $20,000 upfront to go ahead and buy that property. Plus, you got to go ahead and add another 5% on top of that for closing costs and for taxes and basically everything to go ahead and close on that property. So that's another about $5,000 that you're going to need. So in total, you're going to need $25,000. Now, this is the first step because you want to go ahead and start saving up. And now at the same time, you want to go ahead and start building your relationships and start doing research. So going into the next step is going to be to go ahead and talk to a financial institution or talk to different lenders. Basically, one of the biggest things that you want to go ahead and do is do your homework up front. When you go ahead and talk to a bank, let them know that you're interested in buying your first property, or if it's an investment property, go ahead and find out all the different guidelines. The nice thing with this is before you can even talk to a real estate broker and they take you seriously, you need a pre-approval letter from the bank. The nice thing when you're talking to a mortgage lender or a bank, and some people that I personally recommend is like checking out Rocket Mortgage, which has been promoting a lot lately, or checking out your local bank in your area because they usually offer the best rates. But when you talk to the bank, they're going to go ahead and give you the guidelines. Some of the things that they look for is going to be your credit score. They look for how much income you're currently making. They're going to want to go ahead and look at your 2 years tax returns. Plus, they're going to want to go ahead and look at your debt to income ratio, which basically means how much debt do you have outstanding and how much income that you're making. And basically, your debt to income ratio needs to be below 40 to 45%. Some let you get away with 45%, but usually it's around 40. So with this step, the whole goal here is to go ahead and find out all the information so you can actually get approval if you're going to go ahead and finance the property. But now jumping into the third step here, which is going to be to go ahead and reach out to a real estate broker or to start doing research around homes that are in your area. Now, here's the thing. When you go ahead and look for different properties in your area, a website that I personally recommend and the one that I use is Zillow.com. Plus, you can actually go ahead and reach out to local brokers as well. If you see a listing broker on that website, you can actually reach out to them directly and not go through Zillow. The nice thing with this is that you can talk to multiple brokers. Now, brokers usually don't like that because they want you to purely deal with them. But hey, if you don't tell them that you're talking to other brokers, they're not going to know. And hence, you can actually find out a lot more information when you go ahead and talk to different brokers. And usually what I recommend is stick with a broker once you like what you hear from them, and basically it's somebody that you want to go ahead and work with. But at the beginning, go ahead and do your research. Talk to multiple brokers, because at the end of the day, you want to go ahead and find somebody that's going to be on your side and that wants to get the deal done, or that will go ahead and negotiate on your behalf. Plus, guys, you don't pay them. The seller actually pays the broker. As a buyer, you actually do not pay anything. It's part of the commission that comes out of the seller. So they really should be working on your side to go ahead and find you the best properties. Now, at the same time, while you're saving up, while you're doing your research, and while you go ahead and talk to a bank to go ahead and get the guidelines, you want to go ahead and focus on, which is going to be the fourth step here, your credit score. Now, here's the thing. Credit score is extremely important, and that's something that can take some time if you don't have a good credit score. Usually, to go ahead and get a property, you need to have at least a 680 credit score. You can go ahead and still buy a property, but you're going to be paying a higher interest rate if you have lower than a 680. If you have anything above a 720, you're usually really good and you can get the best rate that the bank can offer. Credit score is very important to buy a property because you can get the best interest rate with the best credit score. Currently, guys, right now, banks and lenders are offering right around a 3% interest if you get a 30-year fixed mortgage. So credit score is going to be something that you want to go ahead and start focusing on right away, because it can take 3 to 6 months to go ahead and start building credit and start getting your credit above those thresholds. But now, once you have your ducks in order and you basically have talked to the bank, you know all your guidelines and how much you need, you've saved up at least 80% of what you need to go ahead and put down on the property, plus you have a relationship and you have a broker that you want to go ahead and work with. The next step is going to be to start shopping. Now, here's the thing. I like to go ahead and start shopping when I have right around 80% of that down payment that I need to go ahead and put down. Because when you start shopping, you're not going to find a house right away. It can take anywhere from a month to 6 months or even longer, depending on your market and how that market's doing. If it's a hot market, I mean, houses start selling right away. And because there's multiple bid situations out there, you want to go ahead, once you have 80% of the money in place, start shopping right away. Feel out the market, talk to your broker, have them go ahead and probe you on the different markets out there if you're not familiar with the market. But this is a great time to go ahead and start shopping for the property that you want to go ahead and put a bid on, which is going to take me into the sixth step, which is going to be to go ahead and submit an offer. Once you go ahead and find the house that you're looking to go ahead and buy, the next step is going to be to go ahead and submit your offer through a broker. Now, remember, you are going to need a pre-approval letter because that's very important, and especially the seller that's selling the house is going to go ahead and ask for a pre-approval letter before they'll even take your offer seriously. So go ahead and submit an offer on the house. Find out from your broker if this is going to be a multiple bid situation. Go a little aggressive if you can. When I bought my first duplex, I had to basically pay exactly what they were asking for because it was just a multi-bid situation. And a lot of times, if it's a hot market, you're going to probably end up paying more than what's being asked. But it really just depends on the property, how long the property's been on the market. But when you go ahead and submit an offer, you usually hear back within 24 hours. Now, I never like to go ahead and put too much emotion in one property. Here's the thing. When you're going ahead and putting a bid on a property, property. If you don't win, you got to just keep moving forward. I actually went through the scenario multiple times because I put in a bid on a house that I really, really liked. And because that broker or the selling broker had a personal friend that wanted to go ahead and buy the property, I submitted the same offer as that other person. But guess what? Because they knew that other person already and they were a good friend of theirs or whatever it may be, they went ahead and accepted their offer. So never put all your emotions into one property. If you really like the property, go ahead and just go a little bit more aggressive on your offer. But at the end of the day, expect that you can win it or lose it. And if you don't win that bid, go ahead and just move on to the next house. Because here's the thing, guys, you don't want to stop looking at properties, and even while you're putting a bid, have a second, third property that you're already maybe considering. It just depends on the market, but at the end of the day, I had to wait about 3 months before I could buy the next property and before it came on the market. Now, the next step is going to be closing. Now, to go ahead and go through the closing process, usually it takes anywhere from 30 to about 45 days. You do want to go ahead and get an attorney involved. Usually attorneys charge anywhere between $500 to about $1,500. That's basically the range that I've seen with attorneys, but usually that's included as far as your closing cost goes. So you don't have to have extra money for that. It usually comes out of your closing cost. But as far as the closing goes, basically you want to go ahead and follow the instructions from the bank, because at that point the bank will go ahead and get involved, as well as your broker will basically go ahead and go through step by step of all the things that need to be done. There's lien checks that are done. There's multiple different things that are basically done before you can go ahead and close on the property. And a very important thing is going to be to go ahead and have a final inspection and get a third party to go ahead and do an inspection on the property, because at the end of the day, you want to make sure that the structure of the property is in good shape and basically that there's no surprises once you've bought the property. And at the same time, if there is any surprises, you can actually renegotiate that and have the seller go ahead and pay for it as well. But now that the closing is done, the next step and the final step here is going to be to go ahead and find tenants. Now, in regards to finding tenants, and I should say at the same time, if there's any improvements or any little things that you want to go ahead and dress up, do that before you go ahead and have somebody move in. But as far as the step goes, guys, finding tenants, it really depends on the market that you're in. Now, a couple different websites that I use to go ahead and find tenants is I use Zillow.com. I also go ahead and post on Craigslist, and I use apartments.com. But to go ahead and find tenants, soon as you close on the property, if the property is not already rented out, go ahead and start listing and start probing tenants. Some of the things that I actually look for is I like to go ahead and ask the tenant if it's okay for me to go ahead and reach out to the previous landlord just to get a reference point. Plus, if they're already staying somewhere before they're moving in, I've also done this in the past. I'll ask them if I can go ahead and come and see the current apartment or the current living unit, because that tells you that you can feel a little bit safer if they're not going to go ahead and break everything as far as the condition and that they live in, because at the end of the day, it's all about making sure that the tenant goes ahead and keeps up with the property and they're not going to go ahead and damage your property before they leave. So those are some of the things that I do, but a reference check, I believe, is very, very important. And ultimately, guys, I usually go ahead and sign a 1-year lease, but I do give the tenant the option, if they're ever going to move out before that 1 year, that I'll be flexible with them, because at the end of the day, I don't want my property to be damaged. And I've gone through that scenario in the past. It's never good, because now you have more costs that come into play, and usually the security deposit doesn't even take care of all the damages. So these are going to be my 7 beginner steps to go ahead and buy your first duplex. Now, if you guys have any questions around any of these steps, go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. I'll be sure to go ahead and get back to you on that. But I hope this video helped you guys. This is basically everything that I had to go through when I bought my first duplex, and that was recently in the last 6 months. So this is very practical as far as all these steps. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button. And also, guys, I do have a sponsor that I deal with. If you are interested in investing in the stock market and getting some free money, I will leave a link for Webull. They basically offer you 3 free stocks when you go ahead and sign up with them. But thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys at the next one.